Alright, it is April 18th, 9:34. So I'm about to scrub the refrigerator because it's been on my back burner for a hot minute. So I'm thinking about scrubbing it real quick. So but yeah, it's just because I noticed that the plastic that we usually put for just in case it spills, it's really bad and sticky. So I threw that in the sink, and so now I'm about to scrub put on my headphones, listen to some music, and scrub it. Yeah, our refrigerator's starting to smell bad ever since I picked up this plastic part, so I need to take care of it. But please give me a thumbs up if you like my weekend vlog. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another vlog. But I just uploaded Dallas part 2 vlog, so if you want to see that, link down below. I am kind of sick. I've been sick for the past week, congested. I feel like I'm feeling like the last half of the sickness, so which is good, but I'm over it. I hate being sick, but and my period's supposed to start today, so I don't know what to do today. So I'm just gonna clean. So, I am done. Well, not fully done. I am waiting for I put the back rack, or like the bottom rack, down or back into the refrigerator. So, I'm trying to do the top part. And then once I do the top part, I'll move everything back up to where it was. And then try to clean that second rack, because that second rack is pretty disgusting. So, I'm trying to work on that. But I'm kind of just trying to take a break instead of just going ham on the whole thing. But I did throw away all the old like sauces and stuff, but let me show you my progression. I kind of just cleaned up here, moved that rack. I'm waiting for that one to dry, moved everything down. This is the one I need to deep clean because I use this separation thing, all the stuff in between is just nasty, so I gotta clean that. But I'm waiting for the top rack to dry, and then I cleaned those two, went ahead and put it in there, and then so I'm just waiting for me to clean. This rack is drying and this rack is drying, so I'm waiting for that. So I went ahead and did the side one too. So this one I had to tape because it's broken, so I can't really clean that, but I just put extra sauces right there, and then I already cleaned that, and then there you go. So here's the stuff. I'm just waiting for it to dry. To play a little Palworld. So you can go ahead and watch me play a little bit. Okay, it is 6:09 and I'm about to play this new game with the husband, but come to find out, I need numbers 1 through 8. I do not have this on this keyboard, so I have to switch back to my old Alice keyboard. So I'm trying to transfer it back over to this one. So I'm just moving the keycaps only because with this one you can't take this out. You can only switch out the keycaps, you can't switch out the switches. unfortunately. So I'm gonna move back to my other one. Do my keyboard again. I know, I just switched it out maybe like a couple weeks ago. But I'm still gonna use the same keycaps because I love it. It's like a little doggy theme, so I'm gonna keep that. On this keyboard, I have the silent switches on here. So whenever I'm typing, you can't hear it. Goodbye, my little nano. A little bit until I stop playing games, then I'll go back to this one. Or honestly, I should probably set this one up just with a different keycaps, and then just whenever I want to move over to this, just switch it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Probably just set this one up whenever I need it. So these are the silent switches that I have been obsessed with. These my sister KK bought for me, and I bought another set so I could fill up my whole keyboard. Well, it fills up most of my keyboard, but the nude rose. Alright, so I took this one apart naked, so now I am back to my big boy. I'm gonna put the name of the keyboard on here on the screen, but this is the one I'm gonna be using. Back again, completely full. That's how it looks like. It's just a very bulky type of keyboard, so that's why I was trying to downgrade. But since I'm gonna be playing game with my husband, it's time to get back on there. is 9:34. It is April 19th, Sunday, April 19th. I just started my period, so it's gonna be a very relaxing day. I'm not gonna be cleaning nothing. I'm just gonna be chilling. We might go shopping. I don't know. Kind of debating just because it's gonna be hot all day. But I'm just gonna do a little bit of my eyeliner and all that stuff so I don't look like a Nicki Mole rat. But yeah, I did take off my lashes yesterday because it was kind of irking me. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of eyeliner and all that stuff. Sunscreen just in case we go outside. But yesterday after cleaning the fridge, I didn't do anything else. I was just basically playing that new game wanted me to try called Windrose, and I just stayed on that. After dinner, I stayed on it for a couple hours till like 11 o'clock. So you can officially say that I kind of like the game, but spoiler alert, Windrose. So there's an easy version, a normal version, hard version. So I'm trying the normal version just because I don't want to go too easy, because on Palworld we had our own server and it was modded to where it's like super easy. But for Windrose, I was like, let me try it the normal way. No mods, no, you know, because it's a new game. So, but yeah, that thing is, it tests your patience for sure. But but yeah, I'm just gonna do a little bit of eyeliner, mascara, not putting on no falsies, just because I'm just trying to just look presentable if we do end up going shopping or not. Because I might end up just wanting to play games and not want to go anywhere. Because I'm still kind of congested. Not too bad, but just a little bit congested. So that's why I'm kind of like, I'm down to just play a game and do nothing. But beginning of it, drip dropping here and there, TMI. But girls, you know how I feel. Ladies, you know how I feel. You just don't want to do nothing. But the productive side of me, I do tend to do stuff. I saw that there is Dave's Hot Chicken just released new mozzarella cheese. Kind of craving that a little bit. It's across town, so I'm kind of debating if it's worth it. Because it is so hot outside. It's Sunday. So, I don't know. I'm not sure. But Dave's Hot Chicken sounds real good right now. Like, I'm in that mood where I'm feeling motivated to get out. Also, I'm feeling I could just lay down and doom scroll on TikTok and do nothing. So, I'm stuck in the middle of both. Knowing me, since I didn't really go out yesterday to do anything, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go out today. Also, the husband wants to restock on kimchi, so we might go to the Asian store too. Okay, and that is all I'm gonna do. I don't have my lash curler, but mascara, eyeliner, that's it. Okay, it is 10:54. I'm about to go to sleep. Have work tomorrow. Husband is off tomorrow, but I gotta work. Kids got school, so I'm calling it a night. So please give me a thumbs up if you like this vlog. didn't do much. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another vlog. I did try this on TikTok. If you want to see it on my TikTok, I'm gonna put my TikTok screen name on the screen. I'll also try this one too. It's the sour one, so if you want to see the tasting, go check it out. Alright, and got the little dumpling. Alright, good night.